Searching your RefWorks references using advanced search and lookups. You've already learned how to search your references using quick search. Now let's go over how to perform an advanced search and how to use lookups to browse the indices of the author, periodical, and descriptor fields. Go to the Search menu and select Advanced. You can select a specific field to search here. Selecting Anywhere searches all fields. Let's search the article title field. Type the word or phrase to search for here. It is not case sensitive, so don't worry about capitalization. If you type more than one word, it will search for the phrase as a whole. If searching for a phrase, don't type quotation marks around the phrase. For example, type water pollution, not water pollution, in quotation marks. Just like quick search, it looks for embedded terms. In other words, a search for water will find references containing waters, headwaters, waterborne, etc. Let's try a search for the term water. Before we run the search, notice that you can save searches so you don't have to retype them. Just click the Save button. Type a name for the search and click Save. It now appears under the Saved Search drop-down menu. Now let's run the search. RefWorks found 8 references. The results are sorted by author, and the search term is highlighted yellow. Notice that the results include the words water, underwater, and waters. Searching the descriptor field is an exception to this rule. When searching descriptors, it looks for the exact word or phrase, not embedded terms. You can search for references that have empty fields by checking this box. Don't type the Boolean operators and, or not. Instead, click the green plus button to add another row. Then select and, or not. And is the default. Punctuation and spacing matters when searching, especially when searching for authors. For example, if you're searching for an article by Robert Ames, it's best to type Ames, R like this. That way, you will be able to find all references by that author, including those that list the full name or various abbreviations, like we see here. Using advanced search, you can also search within one or more folders rather than all references. Just select the folders you want here. Bear in mind that selecting a folder here does not automatically include its subfolders. You need to select each subfolder too if you want to include them in the scope of the search. If you are searching for references containing specific authors, periodicals, or descriptors, you can also use the lookup feature under the search menu. For example, let's perform a lookup by author. Here you see an index of all of the authors in any of the author fields. You can see how many references contain each author listing. Clicking an author will show you those references. Clicking one of the letters at the top jumps to the page showing author names starting with that letter. You can also search for a specific author here. For each author listing, there is also an edit icon and a delete icon. Clicking delete does not delete any references. It removes that author's name from all references in your account. Clicking edit allows you to change all occurrences of that author throughout your account. It is handy for cleaning up variations. For example, I can use this feature to change all occurrences of Ames, RG to Ames, Robert G at once, instead of editing each reference individually. The lookup by descriptor and lookup by periodical, both under the search menu, work exactly the same as lookup by author, except of course that they work with the descriptor and periodical fields. Next, we'll go over how to use the global edit feature to modify several references at once.